the science behind perfect brownies. Have you ever wondered what makes a brownie chewy, fudgy, or cakey? Brownies can have different textures depending on the ratio of ingredients. For instance, chewy brownies have a higher fat-to-flour ratio, resulting in a denser, fudgy texture. Cakey brownies contain more flour, making them lighter and fluffier, resembling cake. Fudgy brownies strike a balance between fat and flour, giving them that rich, moist interior we all crave. The type of chocolate you use matters too. Cocoa powder produces a deeper chocolate flavor, while melted chocolate chips add richness and gooiness. When mixing your brownie batter, remember to stir it just enough to combine the ingredients. Overmixing can lead to tough brownies. The size of your baking pan matters too. A smaller pan will yield thicker brownies, while a larger one makes thinner ones. To check if your brownies are done, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out with a few moist crumbs, they're perfect. Lastly, be patient. Let your brownies cool before slicing them. This allows them to set and improve their texture.